Peru has a tradition of agriculture, possesses variable climates, which allows for the production of over 300 species of fruits and vegetables. The mango is considered a prized fruit throughout the world, and for a short time it has been considered an exotic fruit in the United States and Europe. The mango is produced in Peru with its excellent coastal climatic conditions. The dry tropical climate permits the production of a fruit with a great flavor without the sanitary problems associated with heavy tropical rains. These excellent environmental conditions favor an excellent quality fruit that is greatly accepted in local markets and for exportation. The high quality of the Peruvian mango has given it a good reputation and placed it in high demand on world markets. The production of mangoes is concentrated in the northern coastal valleys, principally in the areas of Olmos and Motupe in Lambayeque, the Valley of San Lorenzo, Chulucanas, Tambo Grande, and Sullana in Piura, and Casma in Ancash. The prominent emergent varieties include Kent, Hayden, and Tommy Atkins that are destined for export. These varieties are characterized as having a high quantity of edible pulp, low content of fiber, good color and appearance, as well as a very good quality and flavor. It is in high demand in international markets. The Peruvian mango is exported in the following forms: fresh, preserved, and as juice or drinks. The fresh mango is the primary form in which it is exported. The period of production begins in November and lasts until February. During this period, there is no production in North America, in particular Mexico, which is the world's principal exporter of fresh mangoes. In order to improve the quality of the fruit and comply with the international health regulations, a specific protocol is followed, which is given by the National Agricultural Sanitary Service, SENASA, in order to prevent the introduction of disease and other contaminants. In addition, the Peruvian Association of Mango Exporters promotes the development of the mango industry. This promotion includes improving the methods of production and harvest, post-harvest, and the export of Peruvian mangoes in order to obtain a high-quality product. Quality control processes begin in the cultivation phase. During the cultivation, they look for good fertilization and adequate pest control. The Peruvian mango exporters take great care during the harvest to ensure that the product arrives at its destination in excellent condition. Common practice is to harvest the fruit when a change in color from green to yellow in the peel occurs, or when the upper part of the fruit has increased in size. Afterwards, inversion of the fruit is carried out to remove the latex, which causes staining. The fruit is carefully packaged in a one-colored plastic container. Each package is rigorously identified by its production code and place of origin. It is brought to a central warehouse. When it is transported, it is protected from infestation. In addition, the rules of hygiene are respected in relation to handling tools and water quality, among others, during all phases of the export process. Before the fruit arrives at the processing plant, an inspector from SENASA conducts sampling of the fruit in order to identify the presence of fruit fly larvae. In this way, every sixth package is sampled and the inspector performs different transverse cuts on all of the mango. If there is no larva present, the product is accepted at the plant. Otherwise, the shipment is refused and discarded. Before starting the processing, it is verified that the mangoes are mature and that the pulp is at an adequate temperature and that the mango is at the approved acceptable average weight. To do this, the inspector randomly samples the mangoes from every load and performs the measurements. If the product is shipped by boat and destined for the United States, then a hydrothermic treatment is performed on the product. It is very carefully controlled by the inspectors of the Animal, Plant, and Health Inspection Services of the United States Department of Agriculture.